I have here some metal lockers. There are 6 of them, and inside of them there are some hooks that you can hang things inside. So on each of the doors, there's a little spot where you can actually put a little lock, so you can have it locked up, and each person can have their own little locker. Right here at the top of each of them, there's a little spot where you can put a little card, put a name, or to put whatever's inside it, so you can keep things nice and organized and neat. Right here, you can see the hooks that are up and ready to be used. Down at the bottom, you have a main shelf here and then a lower shelf on each of the lockers. I got some items in these lockers here. You can see the hooks are perfect to hang like jackets or other items. It's really nice to have 5 different hooks. Nice little shelf. You can add whatever you want. I have some helmets on these shelves, or you can put like shoes. I even have a backpack on one of the hooks, or even a ball. So you can use these for whatever you want. There's so much space in these. You can put whatever you want on these and hang up so many different items. So it's gonna be great to keep things organized, whether it's for your own family or for like work. You can have a little locker for each of the people that are working. So if you don't want this to tip over, it comes with hardware to bolt it to the wall so it won't tip over. So that's really handy that it has an anti-tipping function. So it won't tip over and cause issues because you can bolt it to the wall. So at the bottom, you can see the nice tall feet, which will help keep things clean, and you'll be able to clean right underneath it. So each of the lockers have nice ventilation holes to keep things from going bad inside and keep them nice and ventilated. So once again, it's nice that you have a hook on both sides and then 2 right in the middle. So this metal locker is really nice. It's nice there's 6 of them. They're all individual, has mini hooks inside to hang things up, and nice dividers so you can have 2 different shelves for different things. So it's going to be really convenient for anybody that needs to keep things organized at home or at work. And it's handy that you can bolt it to the wall so it doesn't tip over. So it's going to be amazing if anybody needs a nice locker.